So here I am going to do my downward linked double crochet, and to do this stitch I am going to insert my hook into this horizontal loop here, this one, like this. So here I insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then into my target stitch, which in this case is this one, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is my downward linked double crochet. And then continuing from here, I am going to do a linked half double crochet. So very similar to the previous one, this time I'm going to insert my hook here. Hook in, yarn over and put up a loop into my target stitch, yarn over and put up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, and I'm just going to finish my half double crochet like this. So I yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is my linked half double crochet. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the upward linked double crochet, and this happened on the first row of our upper edge. So here I already have my first single crochet and half double crochet, and next is my linked upward link upward link double crochet. So I yarn over, insert my hook in the target stitch, in this case it's this one, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, and next I am going to insert my hook into this loop on the side of the row above. Okay, that's why it's called upward. Insert your hook here, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook like this. Then yarn over, pull through all the rest of the loops. This is your upward linked double crochet. Let's do it again. So first, after this, I put 1 single crochet here, 1 half double crochet here, and then here again we are going to make another upward linked double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into your target stitch, yarn over and put up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, and then here we are going to insert our hook into this loop. Okay, the side horizontal loop on the row up, on the row above. So insert your hook here, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Pull through 3 loops on your hook like this. Yarn over again and pull through the rest 2 loops. That's it.